True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So welcome back guys, welcome to the channel. So if you're just stopping by, you can also subscribe. So as you can see, my shirt, this Bev production, a stronger, better you. 1 pound at a time. So yeah man, so you see, I have to wear them shirt every day because I am on a weight loss journey also. So them shirt always remind me and motivate me also. So you can check out Miss Bev channel, Miss Bev production. Just check out our channel, and if you want your merch there, you can check it out. Alright. So thank you guys for watching. So I am in St. Elizabeth. Yeah, as you can see, Lovers Leap. So but currently Lovers Leap kind of closed right now because of the pandemic. So I'm just giving you all a view. So this is the entrance of Lovers Leap. And right over there, that's where you go and get the nice view of Lovers Leap. Jamaica is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Welcome back guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now I am in the parish of St. Elizabeth in the Top Hill area. So you all can take a view of the Top Hill area. You have your supermarket and your wholesale. Yeah man, so take a view of the area, which I'm coming from the junction side. So I'm gonna take you all right over to the Lovers Leap area. Yeah man, so if you come from junction side and want to know if you reach a Lovers Leap, you can watch that video. So if you're just stopping by, you can kind of subscribe to the channel if you like the content. Yeah man, so just keep on watching guys, and also press the notification bell and press all, so as soon as I upload a video you will be notified. So you can see the beauty. Yeah man, you can see the beauty in a Top Hill area, you know. When somebody tell us they're on the south side, it's a different feelings, you know. Nice place. When you're in the Top Hill area, you can get your fruits, all your ground product on your left. Yeah man, your cabbage and your pine, yam, Irish potato, sweet potato and them thing there. Yeah man, so in the bread basket, parish St. Elizabeth. A lot of nice houses in this area. So I'm gonna make a left turn, would take you all to the Lovers Leap area. So if you want a romantic spot, you all need to check out Lovers Leap in St. Elizabeth. And you know Lovers Leap, that's where two lovers leap. Nice view in that area. A lot of farming take place with the company south side. Yeah man, so that's why them call St. Elizabeth the bread basket. Yeah, we have everything in a St. Elizabeth where you can think about. You have your beaches, you have your rivers, a lot of nice places you can go and enjoy yourself. in the Lovers Leap area. It's roughly about 15 minutes drive to Junction Town. If you want to go to Cheddar Beach, it's about half an hour drive to Cheddar Beach also. And Cheddar Beach, you know, a lot of nice places down there you can enjoy yourself also. You have Lashings, Jack Sprat, 77 West. Yeah man, them places you can go for a vacation same way. Nice view of the beach. Man, just touched down a hole a while ago still, you know. Sometimes a lot of pothole up on the road and things same way, so you have to be careful on up on the road. We're having some nice weather today in Jamaica and in the St. Elizabeth side. Tomatoes and sweet pepper. So if you want to know many different places in Jamaica, this is the right channel for you. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. lot of lands in them places are kind of very expensive because of the area. Yeah man, so now if you have 4 million, 5 million to get a piece of land in them places, you know. So big up yourself, yellow. Anyway you're there, yard or abroad, big up yourself. Yeah man. You know, say if you make a right turn, we take you right back to Southfield Square. So I'm gonna keep left. Place green and pretty, getting a lot of rain from the other day. Yeah, so the farmer them a smile. So we're very close to Lover's Leap. Yeah man, so you need to come check out them place and also the Lighthouse. Sign say welcome to Lover's Leap, the best view of paradise. And as you know, because of the pandemic, a lot of places have closed. So if you want some nice houses, you man need to come in a Lover's Leap area. Very nice place, nice people, also nice environment. Yeah man, I tell you some nice house in the place. Big up yourself anyway there. Yeah man, big up yourself, yellow. Yeah man, hard working youth. This right here is the Ocean View Bible Camp. I'm gonna give you a little view back out. So yes, people look on them places. Them places are pretty green, nice environment, nice houses, nice people also. Parish of St. Elizabeth. Look at them beautiful house. Yeah man, may I tell you. So if you like the place, you can come down here and search for the land and buy a piece of land and enjoy the moment, you know. Lovers Lake, you know. Nice place to be.